China has become a global hub for manufacturing. It excels in injection molding, and this is for good reason. China offers compelling advantages for businesses seeking injection molding solutions. Cost effectiveness is a major draw. China's manufacturing ecosystem allows for competitive pricing, especially for high-volume orders. Beyond cost, China boasts a massive production capacity. Factories are equipped to handle large-scale orders with quick turnaround times. China is not just about low costs. The country has made strides in advanced manufacturing technologies. Many suppliers have adopted cutting-edge injection molding machinery capable of producing high-quality parts with precision. Further enhancing its appeal is China's access to a vast range of materials. From commodity plastics to specialized polymers, businesses can find suppliers who cater to their specific needs. Underpinning these capabilities is China's skilled workforce. The country has a large pool of experienced engineers and technicians who specialize in injection molding, ensuring efficient production and high-quality output.
Finding the right injection molding supplier in China requires careful research. The first step is to leverage online B2B marketplaces. Platforms like Alibaba, Made in China, and Global Sources are excellent starting points. These platforms list numerous suppliers, and you can filter by product, location, and other criteria. Attending trade shows is another effective method. Events like the Canton Fair and China Plus bring together thousands of suppliers from various industries, including injection molding. When using online platforms, pay attention to supplier profiles. Look for detailed information about their capabilities, experience, and certifications. Don't solely rely on online information. Request quotes from multiple suppliers to compare pricing and minimum order quantities, or MOQs.
Once you have a short list of potential suppliers, it's crucial to verify their credentials. Begin by checking their business licenses to ensure the supplier is legally registered to operate in China. Look for industry certifications such as ISO 9001 for quality management and ISO 14001 for environmental management. These certifications demonstrate a supplier's commitment to standards. Requesting client references is essential. Contacting past clients can provide insights into the supplier's reliability, communication, and product quality. Assessing financial stability is also important. Request financial statements or credit reports to ensure the supplier is financially sound and can fulfill orders without issues. This step is often overlooked but is crucial for long-term partnerships.
Before committing to a large order, always request product samples. Samples provide tangible evidence of the supplier's capabilities. When requesting samples, be specific about your requirements. Provide detailed drawings, material specifications, and desired quality standards. Upon receiving samples, thoroughly evaluate them. Check for dimensional accuracy, surface finish, and any cosmetic defects. Compare the samples to your original specifications to ensure they meet your requirements. If the samples don't meet your expectations, provide detailed feedback to the supplier. This allows for adjustments and ensures the final product aligns with your vision.
Section 5. Bridging the gap. Effective communication strategies. Clear and effective communication is paramount when working with Chinese suppliers. English proficiency can vary, so use simple language and avoid technical jargon. Leverage communication platforms like WeChat, which is widely used in China. It facilitates instant messaging, file sharing, and video calls. When communicating requirements, be as specific as possible. Provide detailed drawings, material specifications, and quality control procedures. Clearly outline your expectations for pricing, lead times, and payment terms. Don't hesitate to ask questions and ensure you understand each other.
Section 6. From order to delivery. Navigating logistics. Once you've finalized a supplier and agreed on terms, it's time to place an order. Be aware of minimum order quantities, MOQs. Chinese suppliers often have MOQs to ensure production efficiency. Negotiate payment terms that work for both parties. Common options include letters of credit, LCs, and telegraphic transfers, TTs. Choose an appropriate shipping method based on your budget and timeline. Options include sea freight, which is most cost-effective but slower, and air freight, which is faster but more expensive. Consider working with a freight forwarder. Freight forwarders handle customs clearance, documentation, and shipping logistics. They simplify the import process.
Section 7. Minimizing risks, maximizing success. Sourcing from China involves inherent risks. Implementing risk management strategies is crucial. Establish a quality control plan and outline inspection procedures at different production stages. Consider using third-party inspection services. These services provide independent quality assessments before shipment. Have a clear contract in place. This outlines the rights and responsibilities of both parties and can be helpful in resolving disputes. Build a strong relationship with your supplier. Regular communication and mutual understanding can prevent misunderstandings and lead to smoother transactions.
Section 8. Cultivating relationships for long-term success. Finding a reliable injection molding supplier in China is an ongoing process. It extends beyond the initial transaction. Cultivating strong relationships with your suppliers is key to long-term success. Regularly communicate with your suppliers and stay updated on their capabilities and any industry changes. Provide feedback on their performance and address any concerns promptly and professionally. Building trust and mutual respect fosters a collaborative partnership. This leads to improved product quality, timely deliveries, and greater efficiency. Remember that a reliable supplier is a valuable asset. They can contribute to your business's growth and success.